Okay, carbohydrates. Today discuss topic name is carbohydrate. Already discuss about monosaccharides. Examples of the monosaccharides: glucose, fructose, galactose, and ribose. And next go to disaccharides. Next one is disaccharides. Disaccharides. What is disaccharide? Combination of two monosaccharides, combination of two monosaccharides to give one disaccharide. Combination of two monosaccharides, combination of two monosaccharides to give one disaccharide. What is disaccharide? Combination of two monosaccharide to give one disaccharide. For example, sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Number 2, lactose. Lactose is disaccharide. Sucrose is disaccharide. Lactose is disaccharide. And number 3, maltose. Disaccharides are 3. One is sucrose, number 2 lactose, number 3 maltose. Next discuss about sucrose. Number 1, sucrose is a disaccharide. It is disaccharide. Next one is chemical formula of the sucrose is C12H22O11. Chemical formula of the sucrose is C12H22O11. Number 3, sucrose is a common sugar. Sucrose is a common sugar, table sugar, cane sugar, and household sugar. Sucrose is a common sugar, table sugar, cane sugar, and household sugar. Daily uses sugar is called as sucrose. Next one is glucose plus fructose. Both monosaccharides. Glucose plus fructose, both monosaccharides is involved in sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Two monosaccharides are, one is glucose, second one is fructose. Glucose plus fructose, both sugars are present in sucrose. For example, glucose is a monosaccharide. Formula C6H12O6. Fructose also monosaccharide C6H12O6. Sucrose formula C12H22O11 plus loss of water molecule H2O, C12H22O11. Next one is fermentation reaction is involved in sugar. Fermentation reaction is involved in sugar, that is sucrose. For example, C12H22O11 plus water in the presence of invertase enzyme C12H22O11 is a sucrose plus water molecule dissolved in water in the presence of invertase enzyme. Glucose plus fructose C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Glucose plus fructose. Sucrose dissolved in water in the presence of invertase enzyme. Glucose and fructose both are obtained. When glucose C6H12O6, glucose or fructose in the presence of gymase enzyme, glucose or fructose in the presence of gymase enzyme, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol and 2 moles of carbon dioxide are obtained. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol and 2 moles of carbon dioxide are obtained. Name of the chemical reaction is called as fermentation reaction. Name of the chemical reaction is called as fermentation reaction. What are the end product of the fermentation reaction? End products of the fermentation reactions are two. One is ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. C6H12O6, it is a glucose or fructose. In the presence of gymase enzyme, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, carbon C6, 2 2 is 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6, C6, H12, 2 5 is 10, plus 2, 12. Next one is oxygen 6, 2 oxygens, 2 2 is 4 oxygens, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Glucose or fructose in the presence of gymase enzyme, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol and 2 moles of carbon dioxide are obtained. This is the basic information of the sucrose. Number 1, sucrose is a disaccharide. Chemical formula of the sucrose is C12H22O11. It is a common examination bit. Chemical formula of the sucrose C12H22O11. Sucrose is a common sugar, table sugar, cane sugar. Sucrose is a common sugar, comma, table sugar, comma, cane sugar, and also household sugar, and also household sugar. Next one, glucose plus fructose, glucose plus fructose, both monosaccharides, glucose and fructose, both monosaccharides, is present in sucrose, and elimination of water molecule. Sucrose dissolve in water in the presence of invertase enzyme. Sucrose dissolve in water in the presence of invertase enzyme. Glucose and fructose are obtained. Glucose and fructose are obtained. When glucose or fructose in the presence of Jamage enzyme, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide are obtained. Name of the chemical reaction is called as fermentation reaction. Name of the chemical reaction is called as fermentation reaction. Fermentation reaction. It is end part of the fermentation reaction. Competitive exams question is common sugar chemical formula or sucrose chemical formula C12H22O11. C12H22O11. It is a sucrose. Next disaccharide is lactose. Next disaccharide is lactose. Number 1, it is a disaccharide. It is a disaccharide. Lactose. It is a disaccharide. Next one is, and its chemical formula, C12H22O11. Lactose is a disaccharide. Its chemical formula C12H22O11. Next one is glucose plus galactose. Both monosaccharides are involved in lactose. Glucose plus galactose, both monosaccharides are involved in lactose. Next one is lactose dissolve in water in the presence of lactase enzyme. Lactose dissolve in water in the presence of lactase enzyme. Glucose and galactose are obtained. Lactose is a disaccharide. It is dissolved in water in the presence of lactase enzyme. Glucose plus galactose are obtained. Next one is competitive bit. Milk sugar is called lactose. Milk sugar is called as lactose. Next one is milk acid. Milk acid is called as lactic acid. Milk sugar is called lactose. Milk acid is called lactic acid. Next one is milk revolution. Milk revolution is called milk revolution is called as white revolution. White revolution. Milk revolution is called as white revolution. Father of Indian milkman. Father of Indian milkman. Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian came from Kerala. Father of Indian milkman. Next one. National Dairy Development Board. National Dairy Development Board located at National Dairy Development Board located at Gujarat, Anandmat, Gujarat. National Dairy Development Board located at Gujarat. Next one is National Dairy Research Institute. National Dairy Research Institute. It is located at Karnal. State is Haryana. Name of the state is Haryana. Located center is Karnal. Name of the institute is National Dairy Research Institute. National Dairy Development Board is located at Gujarat, Anand Mat. Next one is calcium metal, iron metal, calcium metal, iron metal, both are present in milk. Both are present in milk. Calcium metal, iron metal, both are present in milk. Next one. Renin, lactase, enzymes are present in milk. Renin and lactase, enzymes are present in milk. Once again repeat. Calcium metal and iron metal, both metals are involved in milk. Renin, lactase, both enzymes are present in milk. Next one is casein protein is present in casein protein is present in milk. Next one, water percentage in the presence of milk is water percentage in the presence of milk is 85 to 86%. Water percentage in the presence of milk is 85 to 86%. Next one, milk operation is called Operation Flood. Milk operation is called Operation Flood. Well known important bit. Milk revolution is called as white revolution. Milk operation is called as operation flood. Next one is purity of milk is measured by lactometer. Purification of milk is measured by lactometer. It is common competitive exam bit. Milk purity or purification of milk is measured by lactometer. Purification of milk is measured by lactometer. Next one is purification of milk phenomena is called as pasteurization. Purification of milk phenomena is called as pasteurization. Pasteurization method was invented by Louis Pasteur. Pasteurization method was invented by Louis Pasteur. Pasteurization method conditions are milk is heated by from 70 to 72 degrees centigrade at 15 seconds and 60 to 62 degrees centigrade at 30 minutes. Milk is heated by from 70 to 72 degrees centigrade at 15 seconds and 60 to 62 degrees centigrade at 30 minutes. It is cooled in 10 degrees centigrade. Name of the phenomena is called as pasteurization. Pasteurization method conditions are two. One is 70 to 72 degrees centigrade at 15 seconds heated, 60 to 62 degrees centigrade at 30 minutes heated. These are the total information about lactose. Once again repeat, lactose is a disaccharide, yes or no? What is disaccharide? The combination of two monosaccharides to give one disaccharide. To combination of two monosaccharides to give one disaccharide. And lactose chemical formula C12H22O11. Its chemical formula C12H22O11. Next one, glucose plus galactose, both monosaccharides are present in lactose. Lactose chemical formula C12H22O11. Lactose is a disaccharide. It is dissolved in water in the presence of lactase enzyme. Glucose and galactose are obtained. Milk sugar is called as lactose. Grape sugar is called as glucose. Sweetest sugar is called as fructose. Next one is milk acid, lactic acid. Milk revolution is called as white revolution. Father of Indian milkman, Varghese Kurian. National Dairy Development Board is located at Gujarat. National Dairy Research Institute located at Karnal, Haryana. And water percentage in the presence of milk is 85 to 86%. Calcium metal, iron metal, both metals are present in milk. Renin, lactase enzymes are present in milk. Purification of milk is measured by lactometer. Purification of milk method is called as pasteurization. Pasteurization method was invented by Louis Pasteur. Okay, milk operation is called as operation flood. These are total information about in lactose. Number 1 is sucrose, number 2 is lactose, number 3 is maltose. Next disaccharide name is maltose. maltose. Okay, number 1, it is a disaccharide. It is a disaccharide. It is a disaccharide. And its chemical formula C12H22O11, and its chemical formula C12H22O11. Next one is glucose plus glucose. Both monosaccharides are present in maltose. Glucose plus glucose, both monosaccharides are present in maltose. Next one, maltose is dissolved in water in the presence of maltase enzyme. Glucose plus glucose, 2 moles of glucose are obtained. Maltose dissolved in water, glucose and glucose, 2 moles of glucose are obtained. 2 moles of glucose are obtained. Next, well-known topic, maltose sugar is present in ragi malt. Maltose sugar is present in ragi malt. It is a sweetless sugar. Okay, key points about disaccharides. Key points: glucose plus fructose is given rise to sucrose. Glucose plus glucose is given rise to maltose. Glucose plus galactose is given rise to lactose. Sucrose, maltose, lactose, 3 sugars are disaccharides. Remaining sugars are monosaccharides. This is the information about disaccharides. Next, go to polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. What is poly? Poly means many, more than. Saccharide word is derived from Latin. The meaning of this saccharide is sugar. Saccharide word is derived from Latin. Polysaccharides. Next one is 2 or more than 2. 2 or more than 2 monosaccharide component is called as polysaccharide. 2 or more than 2 monosaccharide component is called polysaccharide. 2 or more than 2 monosaccharide component is called polysaccharide. It is a non-sugars. Or it is a sweetless sugars. It is a sweetless sugars or non-sugars. Next one is monosaccharides are connected with glucosidic linkage, glucosidic linkage, well known important bit. Monosaccharides are connected with glucosidic linkages. Glucosidic linkages. Monosaccharides are connected with glucosidic linkages, well known important bit, glucosidic linkages. For example, glucose C6H12O6, n number of glucose is given rise to polymerization C6H10O5. C6H10O5, it is a polymer, or it is a starch. N number of monomer, best example is glucose. N number of monomer, best example glucose in the presence of polymerization reaction to form polymer form or starch. All polysaccharides general formula C6H10O5 n number of, not starch, cellulose and inulin. Three sugars are polysaccharides. Once again repeat: starch, cellulose and inulin. Three sugars are polysaccharides. Okay. Next one is very common topic. Starch and cellulose both are present in only plants. Starch and cellulose both are present in only plants. There is no animals. Plant fat is called as glycogen. Plant fat is called as cellulose. Animal fat is called as glycogen. Both starch and cellulose is observed is only plants. There is no animals. These are the polysaccharides. Carbohydrates are broadly classified. Three types based on hydrolysis. One is monosaccharide, number two disaccharide, number three polysaccharides. Okay, next go to second nutrient is protein. Second nutrient is protein or proteins. Okay, protein is a body builders. Number one, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Protein is a body builders. Number two, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur elements are present in proteins. Number two, proteins are natural polymers. Natural polymers. It is made up of amino acids. It is made up of amino acids. It is made up of amino acids. Once again repeat. Proteins are natural polymers. Proteins are natural polymers. It is made up of amino acids. Next one is, third one is building blocks of proteins is called amino acids. Building blocks of proteins is called as amino acids. Protein is a polymer, monomer of the proteins are amino acids. Protein is a polymer, monomer of the proteins. Monomer of the proteins is called as amino acids. What is amino acid? One amino group and one acid group, carbon compound is called amino acids. One amino group and one acid group, carbon compound is called as amino acid. For example, amine group, okay, NH2 is amine group, NH3 is a ammonia group, NH4 plus ammonium. These are the difference between NH2, NH3, NH4 plus. NH2 is a amine group, NH3 is a ammonia group, NH4 plus is ammonium. One amine group and one acid group. Organic acid, COH is organic acid. Connected compound is carbon. This is the amino acid. 1 mole of amino acid react with another mole of the amino acid. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, a dehydrating agent of the reagent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. What is dehydrating agent? Elimination of water molecule. Reagent is called as dehydration reagent. Once again repeat. 1 mole of amino acid, it is a amino acid. 1 mole of amino acid, and the second one is amino acid. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, water molecule is eliminated. NH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH, CH2, COOH, NH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH, CH2, COOH. C double bond O, NH bond is peptide bond. It is well known important bit. C double bond O, NH. C double bond O, NH bond is peptide bond. Polypeptide bond is called Polypeptide bond is called protein. What is protein? Polypeptide bond molecule is called as protein. Peptide bond chemical formula C double bond O NH. C double bond O NH. Once again repeat. Protein is a macronutrient. Yes or no? Carbohydrate, protein and fat, three nutrients are macronutrients. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur elements are present in proteins. Proteins are natural polymer, it is a made up of amino acid. Body builders are called as proteins. Building blocks of proteins is called as amino acid. One amino group and one acid group, carbon compounds are called amino acids. Amino acids to form peptide bond, polypeptide bond is called as a protein. Yes or no? Polypeptide bond is called as protein. Next one. Protein factory is called as protein factory. Protein factory is called as ribosomes. Last time constable bit or SI. Protein factories is called as ribosomes. Three questions are there. One is body builders are called as proteins. Body builders are called as proteins. Number two, building blocks of proteins. Building blocks of proteins is called as amino acids. Amino acids. Number three, protein factory is called as protein factory. Protein factory is called as ribosomes. Protein factory is called as ribosomes. Next one is source of proteins. Source of proteins. Number one, pulses. For example, groundnut. Number two, red grams. Number three, soya bean. Number four, beans, mushroom, spirulina, fish, chicken. Next one is Pisum sativum, garden pea. Pulses, all pulses are source of proteins. For example, groundnut is a source of protein. Number two, red grams, it is a source of protein. Soya bean is a main source of protein. 50 to 60% proteins are present in soya bean. Next, beans, mushroom, spirulina, it is a blue-green algae. 60 to 70% of the proteins are present in spirulina. It is a one type of algae. It is a source of protein. Name of the source is spirulina. What is spirulina? It is a blue-green algae. 60 to 70% of proteins are present in spirulina. Okay. Proteins tablets are made up of spirulina algae. Fish curry, chicken and garden pea, all pulses are source of protein. Source of protein. Next one is very common competitive exam bit. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body due to Kwashiorkor. Due to Kwashiorkor. Well known important bit. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body due to Kwashiorkor word is derived from African word. Kwashiorkor word is derived from African word. The meaning of the Kwashiorkor is neglected children. The meaning of the Kwashiorkor is neglected children. Next one is 1 gram protein. 1 gram protein is equal to 4.2 to 4.6 kilocalories. 1 gram protein is 4.2 to 4.6 kilocalories. Repeated question in the competitive examination. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body due to Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a deficiency of the nutrient disease. Deficiency of the nutrient disease. 1 gram protein is equal to 4.2 to 4.6 kilocalories. Proteins required per day 50 to 70 grams. 50 to 70 grams requirement per day. Okay. Next one is proteins are completely digested. Proteins are completely digested is located at small intestine. Small intestine. Proteins are completely digested at small intestine. Completely digestive food is called as chyle. Completely digestive food is called as chyle. It is stored at small intestine. It is stored at small intestine. Partially digestive food is stored. Partially digestive food is called as chyme. Partially digestive food is called as chyme. It is located at stomach. It is located at stomach. Chyle is located at small intestine. Chyme is located at stomach. It is a partially digestive food. It is a completely digestive food. Completely digestive food is called as chyle. Partially digestive food is called as chyme. Okay. Deficiency of the proteins in the presence of human body due to Kwashiorkor. Okay. Pulses are source of proteins. Main food grains are source of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate proteins both are energy producers. Yes or no? Both are energy producers. Body builders are called as protein. Energy source is called as carbohydrate. Next one is Next one is proteins are present in Leguminaceae family plants. Leguminaceae family is a source of protein. Best example, groundnut, soya bean, beans and garden pea, red grams, all are belongs to Leguminaceae family plants. Next one is name of the substances, name of the proteins. Name of the substances, name of the proteins. Name of the substances, name of the proteins. Number one, name of the substances is urine. Name of the protein is albumin. Name of the protein is albumin. Name of the protein is albumin. Name of the substances is egg. Name of the substances is egg. Name of the protein is albumin. Note. Egg revolution is called as silver revolution. Egg revolution is called as silver revolution. Egg cell is made up of calcium carbonate. Yes or no? Egg cell is made up of calcium carbonate. Egg protein is called as albumin. Egg revolution is called as silver revolution. Next one is well known bit. Blood proteins are hemoglobin. Blood proteins are hemoglobin.